Hi, this is Samuel from Graph2Ways. Imagine you've written a detailed investment guide, an exclusive recipe collection, or a course model, the kind of content people would genuinely pay for. You want visitors to pay before they can read it, but you don't want to build a full membership system just to make that happen. That is exactly the problem Gravity from Submit to Access solves. In this video, I will show you how to set up a payment-based content paywall in minutes. No user accounts, no membership plugins, just Gravity Forms payment forms, and this one pack. By default, any content you publish on WordPress is visible to anyone who lands on the page. If you are trying to monetize that content, you need a way to hide it until a visitor has paid. Some people reach for membership plugins. That works, but it adds a lot of complexity. User registration, login flows, role management. If all you need is pay once, read this, that is an overkill. Gravity from Submit to Access takes a much simpler approach. It gets your content behind any Gravity Form submission. Since Gravity Form supports payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, you can use a payment form as a key that unlocks access. Now we are going to build this and see how it works. First, we need a payment form. I have a simple one over here. It collects the name, email address, and has a product field and a Stripe card. The product field sets the price and the Stripe field handles the charge. For this use case, I don't need anything fancy. A simple one-page form is all it takes. Next, we head over to Spellbook to install the Submit to Access spec. On the Spellbook page, we search for Submit to Access, we install. Once installed, we can activate it right from here. Now, let's go to the page that holds the premium content. In the block editor, click anywhere outside of the block to bring up the page level settings in the right sidebar. You will see a panel called Submit to Access. I will enable it. Now I need to select the form that will be used to unlock the content. We have our payment form. Notice that you can select multiple forms. So if you ever want to offer a free alternative access path along a paid one, that's also possible. For now, I will stick to the payment form. With the form selected, let's look at the other settings. We have the Require Unique Submission. This ensures that access to the page content is only granted if the form is submitted on this page. So we are going to enable this. Next, we have the Require Access Behavior. It's set to show message by default. This means visitors who haven't paid will see a message and the form will automatically be appended below the message. I'm going to enter a message over here. So this is the message the users who haven't paid would see. Next, we have the access duration. We have forever, browser session, and custom. The browser session means access expires when they close the tab. Forever keep access across sessions until they clear the cookie. And custom lets you set a specific window, say 30 days, 6 months, whatever fits your model. Since this is a payment-based paywall, I will set it to forever. Someone who paid shouldn't have to pay again just because they closed their browser. Now we can save it and see what the visitor experienced on the front end. So when we view the post this time around, as you can see, the content of the post isn't showing. Instead, we can see the payment form with the message that the user has to complete the form to get access. So we are going to fill in our details. Then we complete the payment and the content would appear after the submission is done. There you have it. The page content is now showing. Now, if I'm to close the page and then open it again, I will still have access to the page content. And the payment is also captured and recorded nicely in Gravity Forms. There you have it. Gravity Forms Submit to Access allows you to set up a premium content page gated behind a Gravity Forms payment form. No membership login required, no user account, just Gravity Forms and Submit to Access. If you have any question about this setup or want to explore other use cases, feel free to drop a comment or reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.